Here's a 2015 Lexus RX 350. This RX 350 is luxury without apology. Sink into the driver's seat and experience its intense elegance. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, and V6 engine. Of the RX 350, Edmunds.com highlights its high-grade cabin furnishings, luxury sedan ride, user-friendly high-tech features, rock-solid reliability, history, and excellent dealer service. Lexus, performance in every detail. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,